you by. No chase, I don't even try. You see, but you can't define what it is, but it feels right. No noise, just a melody in my head setting me free. No rules, just a bed and me, living soft but endlessly. No pressure in my mind, everything just feels aligned. I don't need to try too hard, I just shine the way I are. Easy life, I'm going now. Feel the rhythm, feel it out. No fear, no slowing down. I just move without a doubt. Easy life, let it flow. Take it high, take it slow. If you feel it, let it show. This is all I need to know. Let it rise, let it fall. I don't need to chase it all. Kokoro wa light and free. Just be, just be. Easy life, I'm glowing now. Feel the rhythm, feel it out. Every step I own it now. I don't need to say it loud. Easy life, let it flow. Take it high, take it slow. If you feel it, let it show. That's the only way I go.
Soft steps in a quiet crowd. No one sees, no one's loud. Then you turn just by chance, and I fall into your glance. No reason why, just you and I, in a moment passing by. Our eyes meet, we don't speak. Something fragile, something deep. Just one look, then it's gone. But I'm holding on. Our eyes meet in between what we are and what we mean. No goodbye, no hello, but I don't let go. Fading lights and passing time, still your shadow stays in mine. Like a dream I almost knew, then it disappears with you. No words to say, you slip away. Still I wish you stay. Our eyes meet, we don't speak. Something fragile, something deep. Just one look, then it's gone. But I'm holding on. Our eyes meet in between what we are and what we mean. No goodbye, no hello, but I don't let go. If we turn a second late, will we miss this twist of fate? Or is this all we're meant to be? Quiet, what if memory? Our eyes meet, soft and slow, like a place I used to know. Just one look, nothing more, but I feel it more. Our eyes meet, drifting light, gone like day into the night. Still somehow I can see you still look at me. We don't speak, but it stays with me.
Blending in with strangers on the street. Every step feels lighter on my feet. In the moving reflections I pass by, I catch a version of me I recognize. City changing right before my eyes. Still I'm chasing something that won't slide. Then I see you standing there again, like a scene I didn't know would end. Telling myself it's just coincidence, but my heart won't stay convinced. When our eyes meet for a second too long, same kind of distance we've had all along. Something fragile starts to come undone. Still I don't say what I become. It's okay to leave it undefined. I don't need to read between the lines. Every moment passing in this place feels like something I don't want erased. We were only meant to pass on by, but somehow time begins to realign. Just a simple word you say to me turns the air to something I can't leave. Funny, running into you again. Now I finally know your name. In the echo of a fleeting talk, even silence feels like it can talk. Trying not to move too fast or slow, but I don't wanna let this go. Say your name, it feels so new, like I've stepped a little closer to you. This touch feels like it could mean too much. If I say it, will it break the air? All the things we never dare, so I keep it in between the lines. Let it grow without a sign. Walking just a little side by side, closing in our space we used to hide. Nothing special, nothing we define. Still it feels like crossing every line. I don't need a perfect truth, I just wanna choose this view. Every time I say your name out loud, I feel closer than before somehow.
朝焼けの街を抜けてまだ静かな交差点ほどけた靴紐を結び走り出す理由を探す舞い落ちる花びらが背中を押すみたいで止まれないこの気持ち名前もつけられずに風を追い越して僕は僕を超えてゆく散ってゆくこの瞬間も全部抱きしめて遠くまで行ける気がしたあの日のままじゃないけどこの一歩が未来になる桜の下で息が少し